Hello everyone, I am Momita Ghosh. Welcome to my channel Pick and Cook. Today's recipe is mango banana smoothie. This is a very healthy breakfast recipe for those who are trying to lose their weight. You need handful of ingredients and your smoothie is ready in no time. For this smoothie, you need 1 ripe mango, 1 banana, 1/3 cup of instant oats, your choice of nuts, 1 teaspoon of flax seeds and 1 cup of milk. Friends, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and recipes. Now grind everything till this make a smoothie like consistency. Pour in a tall glass. Add some chopped fruits like mango or banana and some chopped nuts and enjoy your smoothie. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do before leaving. Thanks.